Here you are, ladies and gentlemen. It's a boat you all love. The Beast, ready to run in stunning carbon Kevlar. Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio-controlled model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio-controlled boats. Join us as we show you all about it. What a beauty she is. Fully dressed, fully decked with our quality components from Hobbywing. Pencil line seam, blue water outlets, carbon Kevlar weave, so neat and uniform. No wonder people are seeking after this boat. Hood. Whoa. Check them out. For those who haven't seen them before, Oxidean Marine by Hobbywing, 200 amp ESCs, more than adequate and more than enough to push these 4082 1650 kV motors on 8S LiPo. We've got our OPS 01L digital CNC servo, carbon fiber servo horn, push-pull cable steering, very precise, CNC aluminum rudder, CNC aluminum rams with steel cables and drums, CNC aluminum pivot. We route our cables through a pedestal, which gives it a great leverage point for precise steering. Our heavy-duty 4mm inner diameter water lines, zip tied in place. Our thruster water pickups that actually inject water into the hull. They constantly scoop. Extra long and reinforced outdrives for more leverage and length of the boat. Recessed on-off switches on a double-decker carbon fiber CNC milled platform. CNC milled carbon fiber battery trays, true carbon fiber, ultra light, sealed to perfection. Your Beast will be built and assembled right here in the USA. This isn't some Banggood special some weirdos on YouTube or Facebook are trying to get you to buy. This is a genuine Oxidean Marine precision boat. All make up for one hell of a boat. And this customer is going to be really happy. I mean, who wouldn't with Oxidean Marine's customer service and quality of build? If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. And if you haven't already, this is the place to get your boat.